Namsong River behind us. Actually, it looks more like a songtiao to me.
It is a songtiao.
But they call it a tuk-tuk.
They call it big tuk-tuk. Yes. Silver Naga, Jasmine. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
We are at our second accommodation for this trip, Jasmine Garden Resorts. Turn left is the washroom. It's an open concept, so sink, toilet and shower is all in one area. And then this is the main room. There's a mini fridge here. Slippers are our own. TV. My area to put my bag. We have a mini balcony. There's a door that leads out to the balcony here, and then the bed is just like this. It's very spacious. This is... okay, do not touch this. This is a circuit breaker. Those are the switches they can use. Look, there's a hot air balloon here. And then this is the view from right outside our room. And this is the view. So we're heading out to get a massage and dinner. Sun is setting and they're setting up the tent areas for the market.
Me and full massage her. Okay.
How many hours?
1
hour together.
Scott. 那个是 Scott 来的，这个是 Scott 来的。
What?
Scott.
啊哦。
这是 Scott 来的。
It's a foot scrub. Hello, we just done with our foot massage and we walked about 5-10 minutes and we are here. Apparently highly reviewed Victor Place. Had to light this up. Am I happy now? Am I happy now? Coconut milk charcoal.
Yeah.
There's a buffet lying behind, but there's nothing much left.
So here's our breakfast. Some bananas, bread, and that's our breakfast spread behind, as you can see.
There's nothing much left because it's too late.
We woke up too late.
We have an omelette.
Devil's telling me that there's nothing wrong.
We bought 3 bottles of large water. One bottle of this is 1.5 liters.
1.5.
Each one costs 60 cents Sing, 6,000 kip. It doesn't matter whether it's cold or not. But now no more bread.
Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you.
So try a bit. I think it's a shake.
With what you said,
Try the cookie.
second guess myself. Like, too much?
It smells very buttery.
Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but
It's the orange juice. The orange does not taste like orange. It's a weird tasting orange juice. I'm eating my orange because it's just half me and half orange. Yeah. Hello. And Mr. P, who is squatting down to take some photos.
Hello.
It's actually quite fast flowing. Can you see the current? So if you kayak or what, if you go this way, it's still easy because it's with the current. But if you go that way, you probably have to use a lot more energy.
Just a lay-in.
Quite scenic. Reminds me of Halong Bay if you're just to look at the mountains, but it's a river. And the water is not the cleanest, not the clearest. It's a bit greenish. There's the bridge.
What you said, I tend to second guess myself like too much. Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe.
So we are crossing the bridge. Bridge is like this. But it looks pretty steady and stable. Don't fall.
It will fall through the cracks.
Love is just a thing.
We are getting to the other side. And we've crossed over to the other side. We're on the other side of the bridge. We just crossed the bridge there and now we have another bridge to cross. This looks a bit more makeshift.
Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is
The motorbike went past me. The whole bridge and the planks were shaking. A bit scary. This is proof that a city girl is not used to this. It gives me anxiety, man, this bridge.
I don't know if this is love, but hey.
3个小时50块 Of course then 你就会 get full day 啦 Full day 就 make sense 啦100块 You got bicycle?
We've decided to get these 2 bicycles because it's cheaper. It's about 50,000 kip. There was a buggy. It's about 50,000 kip for 1 full day per bike, which means that it's about $5 Sing for a full day of bike rental. It's cheaper than the buggy, which is about 250,000 kip for 1 hour. That looks more inviting than doing a hard labor.
It's my IC
Also, this is the roads that we're riding on. The road is very bumpy and the seat has no cushion. We stopped here. It seems to be a parking lot and rest stop. There's a toilet there. Oh, we parked down bicycles here.
Tickets, 10,000 keep for one person to enter to torture ourselves and climb another 40 minutes.
This is the entrance way to the viewpoint. There we are. Says opens every day 6 to 6. What time is it now?
It's 2:47 in the afternoon.
Okay.
It's by Google says 30 minutes, but I think in our condition now it should be about 45, considering we cycle all the way here.
Okay.
So let's see you guys out there around 3:30. 3:30. Yeah,
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. Yeah, it's one way.
Yes, it's one way up.
Let them come down first.
Wow, we met again.
Oh. Okay. Hey.
Want to rest?
Oh, this is not.
Say nothing to come here, yeah.
Hey, we are at the resting point. It's 35 meters from the top. He's feeling fine.
Yep.
I feel a bit lightheaded. Someone should RIP.
Eventually.
We're at the top.
It's 3:20, so we took half an hour indeed.
So there are various planes
That you can go to.
and we are just resting a while on them. There's for you to come. There are planes there too. It's quite comfortable here. But a bit crowded. Wasn't expecting the crowd. So the attraction is apparently the motorbike there, and everyone climb out there to take a picture. Say hi! This is a viewpoint. Wow! Whoa! Why did the lock suddenly like move a bit? Finally here at the top. Super crowded here. The Laotian flag. Are you happy that we are here?
Of course, and the rain is coming. Do you feel it?
No.
Okay, I feel the rain.
Then should we go down?
20 minutes later.
Hello! We just came down from the Nam Xay Viewpoint.
So we climb all the way up there. Hey, on camera it looks very short eh. Okay, actually, qualifier is that I don't think it's that high, but the painful part is the steepness and no actual stairs. Thankfully, it wasn't a rainy day, so it wasn't too muddy. We do have some mud on our legs and shoes and my socks and my butt also. I sit on my butt and slide down a few rocks, so it was easier. Those with knee problems, you might want to consider twice before coming. Going up is still alright, then coming down is the painful one. For the left knee ligament issue from playing hockey last time, that's why it hurts when I come down. But other than that, we did it! Yay!
And we are now going to cycle back! Yay! Immediate reaction.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to the cycle back, but I think we have to do that. Now that he pointed out, yes, we are the only two bicycles here. Everyone else is either on a motorcycle, songtiao, or a buggy, or a car. Yeah, we're the only two bicycles here. Can you imagine cycling in here, climbing up, then cycle back out?
The distance is 7 km.
From where?
From here back to the bridge. After that, we still need to walk.
Yeah, we need to return these bikes first. With no suspension, no bike pad, nothing. Gave me a crotch cramp. First time ever. Think that the air here is quite fresh, but there is a lot of burning.
It's to chase away mosquitoes.
Actually, I don't
and pests.
think so. I think it's also deforestation.
No, nothing to do with deforestation. This one is because they want to burn away the pests and insects.
How long more do you have? Wow,
about 7 minutes.
We are barely at the halfway mark. Very tired. It's these confessions of a city girl. So we are done with our hike up to the viewpoint and also riding the bicycle back and returning to the rental store. We are resting here. We found this restaurant.
Hey, I got a very girly drink. Have you seen my very girly drink? It's a pink mixed berry smoothie.
Antioxidant.
So good.
Mine's a Lipton iced tea. Tuna salad, guys. Tuna salad. Look at this goodness. You take it, the lizard. How was the pizza just now?
It's not too bad. It's not too bad.